What's up guys, Adrian here. I was driving home the other day from work and I noticed this much play in my steering, so obviously we're gonna have to give that a look. The first thing you're gonna want to do is have someone just wiggle the steering back and forth just like this, and then we're gonna go under the truck and go ahead and check the steering components. So everything looks good over here, everything looks good over here, nothing's loose. Once we go here, oh boy, yeah, that's a lot of wobble there. So at this point I'm thinking it's probably the drag link, but if we look closely to that pitman arm, looks like the pitman arm itself is loose. Luckily for me, that's an easy fix, and we're only gonna need a 1 13/16 wrench as well as a lot of Loctite, and I mean a lot of Loctite. Do not use the recommended amount, it does not work. That's what happened to me, and that's why it's loose now. So we're just gonna go ahead and tighten this nut you see here, and that should fix our problems. So this is the before right here, and this is the after. So there is some play. I do like a little bit of play on my steering, so if you don't, you can go ahead and tighten that center nut you see right there. That's gonna be your gearbox for the steering, and that should tighten it up the rest of the way. If this video was helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, smash that subscribe button if that's something you're into, and as always, have a great day.